To start with the assembly, place the leg section concave bottom on the groove of the shower seat. Ensure that the concave side of the same should be facing towards the leg side. And then, place the leg section concave top on top of the concave bottom. Align the curved washer on the middle screw hole of the leg sections. Insert the short screw knob and tighten it securely. Repeat the process on all 4 sides. Attach the leg extensions by pushing the brass pin on the leg section. Adjust the leg to the desired height. Repeat this for all legs. Flip the bench upright and the chair is now completely assembled and ready for use.